Welcome back to Ride Radar, your go-to channel for the latest updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of India's most iconic SUVs, the 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6. The Bolero has been a household name for rugged performance and unbeatable durability, and the 2025 model brings in fresh updates while keeping its trusted DNA intact. Updated styling. The 2025 Bolero B6 gets a refreshed look with subtle yet impactful design tweaks. The front fashion now features a redesigned grille with bold chrome accents, giving it a stronger road presence. Mahindra has updated the headlamp cluster with clear lens units and LED DRLs, adding a modern touch to the classic design. While the overall boxy shape remains the same, you'll notice slightly sharper body lines and fresh alloy wheel designs, making it look more contemporary without losing its rugged appeal. Interior features. Step inside, and the Bolero B6 offers practical comfort. The cabin now sports a dual-tone finish with updated seat fabrics for a premium feel. The infotainment system is a 7-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and smartphone integration. Although the focus remains on simplicity, Mahindra has added useful features like power windows, keyless entry, and rear parking sensors to make your drive more convenient. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Bolero B6 continues with the trusted 1.5-liter mHawk 75 diesel engine. It produces 75 horsepower and 210 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, tuned for maximum torque delivery in low gears, perfect for rough terrains and village roads. The ride quality is built for Indian conditions, with a strong suspension setup that handles both city potholes and rural off-roading with ease. Safety upgrades. Safety has seen a decent improvement: 8 with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a strengthened body structure. Mahindra has also worked on crash protection and cabin stability, making the Bolero B6 compliant with the latest safety norms. Final verdict. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6 continues to be the go-to choice for those who value strength, reliability, and low maintenance. It's not trying to be a luxury SUV, but it delivers where it matters: ruggedness, practicality, and value for money. For more such updates and honest reviews, don't forget to subscribe to Ride Radar. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and drop your thoughts about the new Bolero B6 in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Radar. Until next time, drive safe and ride strong.